Are you ready to take control of your money and build a financially secure future? In today's video, I'll share the top personal finance books you must read in 2025 to level up your financial game. Whether you're just starting your financial journey, trying to pay off debt, or looking to grow your wealth, these books cover everything you need to know. And the best part? They're beginner-friendly, practical, and incredibly insightful. The first book on our list is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This is not your typical how-to finance book. Instead, it dives into how we think, behave, and make decisions about money. The key takeaway? Financial success is more about mindset than math. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to build a healthy relationship with money. Next, we have the all-time classic, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book will completely change the way you think about money, assets, and liabilities. It emphasizes the importance of financial education and shows how the rich think differently from everyone else. If you're new to personal finance, start here. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin is an eye-opener. It teaches you how to align your spending with your values and take control of your finances step by step. This book will help you rethink what financial independence truly means and how to achieve it. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi is perfect for millennials and young professionals. It's a no-BS guide to automating your finances, paying off debt, and investing with confidence. Ramit's humorous and straightforward advice makes money management fun and actionable. Last but not least, The Millionaire Next Door reveals the surprising habits of America's millionaires. Spoiler: they don't splurge on flashy cars or designer brands. Instead, they live below their means and invest wisely. If you want to learn how to quietly build wealth, this is the book for you. So there you have it, 5 amazing books to kickstart your personal finance journey in 2025. Each one offers unique insights that can help you save more, invest smarter, and achieve financial freedom. Which of these books are you adding to your reading list? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial boost.